Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. If you're a SpongeBob fan, today's video is definitely for you. It's a SpongeBob SquarePants, comes with the 1:32 scale 1980 Chevy Blazer K5 from Jada Toys. And the best part? It comes with the 1.65-inch SpongeBob figure. How cool is that? Which is a perfect for the collectors and the fans of all ages. So before we dive into the detail, let's unbox it. Let's talk about the design. The attention to the detail on this diecast vehicle is absolutely top notch. The vibrant SpongeBob artwork really pops up, making it a standout piece in any collection. The car itself rolls smoothly, and the paint job is just a stellar. Now, while the car is a fantastic collectible, there's a little quirk worth noting. The SpongeBob figure, though it looks adorable, it doesn't actually fit inside the vehicle. It's a bit of missed opportunity for some interactive fun. However, the Chevy Blazer has a working doors which add a nice touch. You might not be able to seat the SpongeBob in the driver's seat, but you can still appreciate the detail. Overall, this diecast is a fantastic addition to any SpongeBob fans collector. It's well built, visually striking, and definitely worth the money. It might not be a perfect in every aspect, but it's an amazing product that brings a bit of SpongeBob magic to life. So if you're looking to add a unique piece to your collection or find a great gift for someone special who's a fan of SpongeBob, this diecast car is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more cool reviews. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Chill with Sabi. See you next time. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.